Hello guys, Robert here. Today I want to share with you a factoring method that is very easy and very useful. It's called the Advanced AC method. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the simple AC method by drawing an X right here. But the difference is we're going to have one extra line in the middle right here. So on the top, we're going to put whatever the value A times C is, right? Where A is the leading coefficient and C is the constant term. B on the bottom, B would be the coefficient of the X term. So on the right-hand side and the left-hand side, bottom right and bottom left, we want to figure out two values so that M times N is equal to AC, and then M plus N is equal to B. Okay, so that's the basic setup for AC method. Now, the advanced AC method has one little difference is that in these two spaces above, right, we're going to put in the first term, but without the square. So namely, we're just going to have AX and AX right here. Okay, so that's basically the setup. And then let's work on a actual example to see how we can continue with this. So for example, I have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. And I want to factor the quadratic expression on the left-hand side. First, we need to identify our A, B, and C's. So in this case, A is 2, B is 3, and C is 1. So on the top, we're going to put AC, which is 2. On the bottom, we're going to put the value of B, which is 3. And then we want to figure out the two values M and N so that they multiply to 2 and add to 3. By now, you probably have a good idea that those two values are 2 and 1. Now, in this case, it doesn't matter. You can do 2, 1 like this, or you can do 1 and 2 like that. It doesn't matter. The final answer will be the same. Okay, and then last two places, we're going to put the first term, which is 2x squared, but without the square. That would just be 2x and 2x. Okay, and this is the fun part. We're just going to focus on this part right here and this two things on the right. Now, what we want to do is we want to treat these two boxes as if they were fractions and simplify them. So on the left-hand side, we have 2x on top and 1 on the bottom. Well, there's nothing we can do. They will just stay as 2x and a positive 1. On the right-hand side, I have 2x and 2. That means I can actually divide both of them by 2. And then I'll get x on top and then 1 on the bottom. And there you go. That's it. Our first factor is going to be these two things, positive 2x and positive 1. So that'll be 2x plus 1. And then on the right-hand side, we have x and 1, and that gives us x plus 1. And then it's equal to 0. And then you can use this method to factor quadratic if you want to solve them, or if you want to find the real zeros, things like that. And this method works on any type of quadratic equation or quadratic expression that is factorable. Okay, thank you guys very much. Hopefully this was something new, and have a good day.